Welcome to Rocar Coding. Today we will code an Audi A5 B9 Sportback and unlock hidden features using the latest VCDS HEX-NET diagnostic interface. The first coding we selected disables the start-stop function. In heavy traffic, this feature can become annoying and requires pressing the start-stop button every time. That's why we decided to turn it off. Of course, every coding change is fully reversible. We open the VCDS software and select Control Module O8 Auto VAG. Next, we access 10 Adaptation. We select the channel IDEO3253 AC comfort parameter for start-stop function. We change the value from 5 to 0. By changing this parameter, the start-stop system will activate much less often. The VAG module now prioritizes cabin comfort. The function is not permanently disabled and can be restored at any time. Now you can enjoy a smoother drive in traffic without the constant start-stop interruptions. The second coding is the needle sweep function. At every engine start, the instrument cluster needles perform a full calibration sweep. This feature is purely visual and enhances the startup experience. For this coding, we chose to use the VCDS software as well. We open Select Control Module and choose Module 17 Instruments. Next, we select Coding -7 to open the long coding helper. We go to byte 1 and enable bit 0. Staging? Yes. We close the long coding helper and press the Do It button. The coding is saved to the control unit. At the next ignition cycle, the function becomes active. Next, we are enabling the option to turn off the derails from the menu. Before coding, you can see the switch is not available. After this change, a new DRL on-off toggle will appear in the MMI lighting settings. We access Control Module O9 Central Electronics. Next, we select Coding -7 and open the long coding helper. We go to byte 2 and enable bit 1, DRL MMI active. We close the long coding helper and press the Do It button to save the changes. When the coding accepted message appears, the procedure has been completed successfully. Finally, we check if the function is now available in the MMI unit. Everything is working perfectly now. The daytime running lights option is available in the menu. We also added a few exterior shots to confirm the result. Everything works exactly as planned. The next coding is probably my favorite from this series. IT enables Scandinavian DRL. Scandinavian DRL turns on both the front daytime running lights and the rear lights at the same time. It mimics the system used in northern countries, where lights stay on during daylight for better visibility. And choose Module O9 Central Electronics. We open Select Control Module. Next, we select Coding -7 and open the long coding helper. We go to byte 2 and enter bit 3, so _@_DRL active. We close the long coding helper and press the Do It button. When the coding accepted message appears, the change has been saved successfully. Now, even with the light switch set to position 0, the rear lights remain on together with the DRLs. The last coding we tried using VCDS was the oil temperature display in the instrument cluster. Unfortunately, on this cluster version, the function did not activate. However, on other cluster variants, this feature can be enabled successfully. We open Select Control Module and choose Module 17 Instruments. Next, we select Coding 07 and open the long coding helper. We go to byte 10 and enable bit 1, oil temperature display, yes. If the procedure is completed correctly and the change is accepted by the control unit, we will receive the coding accepted message. That's all for today. Subscribe to Rocar Coding for more coding tutorials.